You are standing out. People are taking notice of you. Now, I feel for some of you, I'm hearing you've come into money, right? I know some of you don't like to discuss your money with people, but there is something that you do, there is something that you done, and you are profiting from it. There's something about your look. There's been a change in your image. Some of you are dressing more colorful, more loudly, you know. I'm hearing you got swag for days, you know. I feel like you have a new wardrobe right now. You've gone to the hairdressers, you've done something to your hair, you dyed your hair, you permed your hair, you're wearing Ray-Ban glasses. That's the only like glasses that I know of, because I remember my ex-fiance used to always talk about his Ray-Ban glasses. I was like, what's that? You know, I'm so far removed from like design and stuff like that. Always have been. But I feel like some of you could be wearing designer clothes right now. And it's indicating to people that I'm hearing 50 Cent, I get money. Yeah, some of you have come into some money. Some of you have invested in something and there's been a turnaround. Some of you have literally invested in yourself. Some of you have taken a chance on yourself. Long overdue, right? Whereby you went away for maybe 6 months or something like that. You've invested in maybe properties and there's been a turnaround and you bought many properties or you rented out properties, or, you know, you and your friend went into business together or something of that sort. You done some type of stocks or shares or Bitcoin, I don't know, but it's something that you've done and there's been a turnaround. Like your whole image has changed right now. People are taking notice of you and people are thinking, nah, that person, whatever they did, it was a success. Maybe you told people that you were going to start a business, or you work in a job and you worked your way up to managerial position. You know, bosses, CEOs are taking notice of you because you're bringing in a lot of money for the company, for the business. You are a hard worker. You do not take any shortcuts. And for some of you, if you are in a leadership position right now, it's taken you a long time to get here, but you've earned it, is what I'm picking up. You had to get past your fears because maybe some of you were a bit doubtful. Some of you may have felt like, I don't know if I've got what it takes. I don't know if I'm ready yet. But you had to overcome your fears and certain traumas and triggers to get yourself unstuck, to get to where you want to be, to where you are now. You know, I feel like, yeah, some of you have got yourself unstuck. Maybe you were trapped in some type of loop, some type of mental anguish. And maybe to people on the outside, they were thinking, why don't you just walk away? Why are you staying there? Why are you staying in this energy? Why are you staying connected to that person? People didn't get it. And the fact that you have removed yourself from a person or maybe a mindset of stuckness, you've elevated. And people are like in shock because they never thought you would do it. People are also fixated on you because of your personality. Maybe people didn't see a certain way of being before because you were under the condition of maybe someone else's opinions and control. Maybe some of you have left home and you've got your own flat, or some of you have moved away from a certain friend group, a friend, an ex-partner, someone that was limiting your growth, and you have become more independent now. And people like this new independent you because it's allowing people to get to know your personality now, because before your personality was hindered, it was repressed. People are starting to find you quirky, funny, engaging, witty, charismatic. You were always those things, right? And people like your flair, your style, your eccentricities. People find you to be a whole vibe. And they can't wait for you to be around. You're literally blowing people's mind. People are starting to obsess about you now. People are starting to think, wait a minute, have I got a crush on them now? Yeah, you're getting some more fans, darling. Because of your personality, your energy. People want more of you. Your independence, your nonchalant ways is just making people feel to themselves like, I need to get close to him. I need to get close to her. There's something about your dress sense as well. Like, people like the way that you dress because it's so out there. It's so original and it's so daring. And many people just find you to be engaging. Like, many people find you to be someone that they like to converse with, someone that they like to let their guard down with. And they see you as very lucky because I feel for some of you, you may have come into a cycle of celebration, a cycle of winning medals, trophies, certificates. You have achieved a lot. And people are like, wow, I didn't know that they had all this, all this talent. I didn't know that they were studying that. I didn't know that they were, doing this, or I didn't know that they were achieving this behind the scenes. Maybe you posted a picture of, you posted a picture of all your wins and people are shocked. Like, people are now looking at you as a high achiever. People are now seeing that you are the real deal. People are no longer sleeping on you. People now want to make an investment in you. For some of you, people may want to sponsor you. People may want to collaborate with you. People want to work with you because they feel like you are a mastermind. You are a brilliant strategist. You are a brilliant worker. You are influential. Some of you could be social media influencers as well, right? But some people are taken aback by your influence. People are captivated by you. And some people feel like they can't celebrate with you because maybe for some of you, you've cut people off. I'm not picking up any cards of cutting people out, but you may have cut people off, or because you elevated, right? Some people may feel like they can't connect with you anymore because maybe they connected with you when you were on a different vibration. Now that you have elevated and, heightened your frequency, these individuals who you may have connected with in the past are no longer a match. And they feel like you are worlds apart. Like a star, you can't access a star. Many people are viewing you as a star now. Even people that you were connected to before, but you were always a star. You were always that star, and now that you are stepping into your power, you're going into different environments, other people. And that's the thing, when you were hanging around certain people, they didn't give you your props. It's like they tried to make you feel like you should be happy to be around them when you were a whole star all along and they were riding off your coattails. But now that you have separated yourself from these individuals, right? Maybe you've just, taken a hiatus, or maybe some of you have changed your friendship group, something of that sort. You're getting appreciated from other people. The appreciation you're getting now was the appreciation you should have got before. But some people didn't want to appreciate you before because they felt like you're going to be too big for your boots. Or they thought that they were the star of the show. There's some real deluded people around here. I mean, we're all amazing in our own way, but not everyone's got that star quality. Let's just be 100 here. And some people may have felt like they were getting their attention and adoration because of their association with you. And now these people have to sit back and watch other people celebrate you. Now these people have to sit back and watch that you are in demand, you are respected. Maybe when they were connected to you, they didn't respect you and they kind of disregarded you and they treated you like you were, a mediocre when you're a whole vibe, you know, a whole rarity. Someone that's rare, but they treated you like, because they had that access to you at the time. They had that access to you. And now you're learning that not everyone deserves access to you. And because you have heightened your frequency now, you're connecting with more high vibrational souls. You're connecting with your soul tribe, who are independent, who are free thinkers, who are inspiring, who are encouraging. And these individuals are now left thinking, I had access to that person. Some of you are being considered as a superstar, or some of you may have your big break, or some of you could be in some type of YouTube series. You can have like a podcast that's blown up, or it will blow up, or some people are going to be like, I know him, I know her. Some of you have achieved a goal, you done a competition, you won golds, or there's something like this. And some of these people are feeling some type of way because they can't access you now. They can only access you on social media. They've been left out in the cold, energetically or physically, because they're not a match. You know, many people are saying that you have balanced out a lot in your life. You didn't have it easy, and you are a hard worker, and everything that you've got, you have earned it. And some people are literally kicking themselves thinking, man, why didn't I see that this person was a star all along? Or why did I treat them like that? You know, this could be family members for some of you, because you are detaching, you're elevating. And people can see the way other people value you, the way other people respect you. That's the thing. Some people didn't respect you. They thought that they could treat you any which way and you would accept it, only for you to find out that other people in high positions that are powerful, that are respected, treat you like an equal. And that made you see, hold on a minute, I am worthy, I am deserving, I am loved, I am intelligent, I am talented, I am hardworking, I do deserve everything I've got. Yes, yes, you do. And many people are now looking at you. For some of you, unfortunately, it's more strangers and possibly friends that respect you more than your family members do. Not for all of you, but for some of you. And for others of you, certain friends that took you for granted, that you were around, they're now seeing you being treated like royalty and them not getting any access to enjoy with you. You going to luxurious places that they can only dream of. You being in certain circles that they will never gain access to. They've been shut out. No invites. And you are just simply being you. You're magic. You're magical. And the thing is, many people are taking notice of you. Like, they're seeing that you are a big deal. You're not a joke. Your energy is not a joke. You're very magnetic and you are in demand. And you are around people that do value and see your worth, because they are high value also. So when they connect with another high value person, they know how to act. They don't act like a fan, then try to humble you. They talk about elevation. They talk about business. They talk about trips, expansion, goals, 5-year plans, holidays, yachts, penthouses, hotels, whatever the case is, you know? You are now experiencing what real life is all about with people that are on your level. You were made to believe in the past that whoever you were settling for, whether this is friends or family or even an ex-partner, was your lot. No. Spirit has intervened, and Spirit has connected you to your soul tribe to show you who you are through these people that you look up to. The same way you look up to these people that you are around or that you will be around is the same way the world values and sees you, in the same light. You or these people mentioned in this reading could be of the signs Virgo, Pisces, Cancer, Pisces, Aquarius, Gemini, Cancer, Aquarius, Aquarius again, Capricorn, Pisces, Leo, Aquarius, Scorpio, Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, Mars, Venus, North, South Node, or Lilith. It's time to step into that new cycle and be the amazing you that you were all along. It just took a little bit of time for some people to see it, but now they do.